Here we have a 2010 Peugeot 3008. It's fitted with the 1.6 diesel engine and has roughly 81,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting the spanner symbol on the dashboard, service light, and when you put the ignition on, it says it's minus 800 miles, so overdue by 800 miles. And you've done an oil change or a service, as I have, I'll run you through the procedure on how to reset it. All you need to reset that spanner service light is this spanner button here in the trip reset. So you're going to need two hands. What you do first is you press and hold that button and turn the ignition on, and you can see there it's counting down from 10 to 0. Keep it held in. I think that's 0, the light goes out. You can release the button, turn the ignition off, and you can see there the light's gone. Put the ignition back on, it's all okay. That's it, reset for another year. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you, and if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.